ko eye woma etwi pragia ene eye aboboya womo so enchen na womo etwi pragia yi womo wo nkobom ko ahudo bebre ene oba santimem ha womo pointi won kabom ko womo wo hankabom ko na nkete bebre akeka ka womo abom bebre na enra no na chese wonom a omo wasokore mampon womo so nkabom ko no to aba na womo yi empanifo foforo amoma so afremu asai na dwumade na se no asantema Zongo Nkosuohene Alhaji Abdullahi Ali Bari okwase bi ne nkasa mu no ano de wo chese afutuo no de womo se no Tricycle na pragia ne ho kro ne ba no aba gi hiri ane se womo ba setena ne sa ye ba ye nso ama mabunu adwuma bebre aye enti esese omko ho bom na omko no eye ekubatan kese eno saa no ne betimi aboa womo amochranko bibi ha womo no mpeso omode to mpanifo ani ma ko ni nyina panifo sode ana chese womo kasa na omano adurudwom na ko no kokwaye mobo nsa ketenkete bebre saa emwa enti omo nyina saa ko no matete ni nyina eye na so omo nyina nkom hommom na womo ekubatan kese sere be ya bibi ni a ompadwo omano a mpanifo ebeye wonom emwa yentie Zongo Nkosuohene Alhaji Abdullahi Ali Bari.
This one, the to school or something. Several times, account, even a book this year, we will be at this year. And now, you know, like a woman, please, one, with your car, was 35 years. Then, you got 24 we idea. So, most of my year, you go up to from that. Sama mama ni dia fani au kwa timia de kono biti emba media isabata yes kwa ena yema musuru amuye manele nyomoso
Reti Alhaji Ali Bari owie ye no ena asokore mampon presiding member wo hoye honorable Muhammad Jara wono so ekasaye ewo dwumadie no asira yenti ono so nsema okan
ni DSM ema yenyina se ewo asakromo municipality no ukora wa obehu se the whole Ashanti region no ahana adedeta no aprage no doso yipa na munni leadership ha dwunima yenyina because every now and then ubeti say adedita no akobu obi ana nkola kitiwa na omutwi adedita omunko school ena you always hear say foreigners ajumo ejuma say assemble pese into anamobia who should assemble engage afi omunni leadership enunti me dey say omo invite me colleagues assemble members ka omo ende na omo ye mo elections no may you see opportunity we na ma congratulate all elected executives no and maybe more simple advice say there should be they should operate an open door policy and leadership of service. They shouldn't load their leadership on their servants. They should always listen to the plight of their people, listen to their concerns and come and rescue them from the challenges that they are facing. They have been complaining to us that every now and then the police have been harassing them when they have all the requisite requirements to use the pragia, they have licenses, they have insurance, they have everything, even the pragia is new, police will still harass them. And the police is there for us. They are there basically to protect life and property. You and I must support the police to do their work. But what we will not accept is when you have all your requirements, everything that you needed to drive or ride Adidita, and the police will say harass you. That will sit with the commanders and discuss with them to allow them to operate, because it's creating job for the youth. It's also preventing so many social vices in our communities. So we cannot do away without the pragia. Ours is to ensure that we regulate their activities.
And I tell you, PM was a Kremampon Municipal Assembly, Honorable Muhammad Jara. Oh, yeah, no, and yeah, I did a tough way. Womo Union, no secretary or danos say, Ayura, Mensa, Yao, Bobie Charles, or so Ekasai.
You say your major challenge, say, your best sanitize your riders, You say your major challenge is say you best sanitize your riders no na you educate you na afi prepare yo aye adwuma wo ka kwan so eno nti na ye try say ye beyi mpenifo a ombehwe say adwumadie no me no agitu mu say efia panyini no emra nya adwuma wo ho nti ene ye yi mpenifo say de be ya ye beda no ne regulate how ye nkrofo no befa so ombede ombeyo adwuma challenges ay wo kakra eye entiase ane enya adwuma nanso so nyame adom te say odo no aba enam few consultations ayeden ye no na afin so said ye be educate ye nkora no enye obia nani ne left from right adwuma na wo ye no kora no onim osikwan so kora de wo so wo ye bo de no anse otim inti challenges ena rough riding ena mra omuni so ni na ye challenges a ye face e wo ka kwan so na ya be ebe take that opportunity we are inviting penifo a omo nimdie to say MTTD commanders the letter as a secretary I will personally write to them said the bear you be invite no ma be chere no and afi DVL now omo lances no so no you know makasa no matuma be ma omo ya hu kan ya be fa so ombenya lances and these are the few challenges there minim say bi wo ho a ye be you better try say you better reconcile.
And yet, I did a tap for one secretary, Monyano, or a man, Saya, Bobby Charles.